friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the January 2018 Globox Build Your Own Box. So Globox has continued with their Build Your Own Box subscription, and guys, you should not miss this. You are getting an opportunity to get 5 fantastic beauty and skincare products worth 5,500 rupees based on your choices. So let us get going and see what I have chosen in Build Your Own Box. So this is how the Globox has come in. This is the standard Globox box and all the contents are inside. Let us open the box and see what all I have received. So the first thing to come out of this box is a note, a handwritten note from the founder Jyoti Rani. It says, "Thank you for shopping at Globox. It was a pleasure to serve you. I hope you like your purchase." Yes, I am excited about it. Then I have received this 2 Globox stickers, and then I have received the purchase voucher from Globox, and it says the total value of my shopping is 4,669 rupees, and guys, I have paid just rupees 999 for this box, so I have saved rupees 3,720, and you can choose entirely different products and get a value of almost 5,500. So let us start with the star product of this box. It is a 3 looks in 1 makeup palette from Revolution. It's a pro look palette and it says eat, sleep, makeup, repeat. Pro looks. It's a 3 looks in 1 palette. Let me open it. So this is designed and developed in London, UK, and it is manufactured in PRC. So this is how the palette looks. It's a beautiful classy black palette with a rose gold imprint on it, and it says Makeup Revolution London. This is a palette of professional eyeshadows, and let us see the colors. So guys, there is a mirror on one side and these are the colors. So as you can see, the shimmer ones are highly pigmented while the matte ones will be built up. The pigmentation is quite nice. I quite like this palette. It is a perfect combination of matte and glitter powders, and it also has some shades which can be used as highlighters. In addition, it has an applicator too. So this is how the applicator is. So friends, I'm very happy with this product, and this is priced at rupees 2,250. guys. I am honestly very impressed with this eyeshadow palette. The next product is this lipstick. So this is again a lipstick from Makeup Academy. This is priced at rupees 495 and this is in the shade 8. So let me open this up and see the color. So this is how the color looks. It has a shine to it, a glitter, and let me swatch it for you. So this is how the color looks. It is highly pigmented, it is creamy textured, and it has a nice shine to it. So this is the perfect metallic lipstick and a very nice color. This color is again going to look very good on Indian skin tones. I quite like this, and in addition you have a gloss at the bottom here, so you can use it either ways. So this is the second product. The third product that I ordered was this extra virgin coconut oil. It is a certified cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil from Kerala, and I quite like coconut oil not only for the hair but I like it for all the other uses. This coconut oil can be a good substitute for a baby lotion. It can be used as an oil massage for babies, for adults. It can also help in rashes. It can help you in minor infections, and in the winter it works fantastic as a moisturizer or a body oil. So I honestly love this oil, and this is a 200 ml product priced at rupees 299. It's a clear oil. The aroma is very mild but feels very pure, and this is from Shisha Naturals. So unusual choice for me, but yes, I did want a cold pressed coconut oil. So this was the third product. The fourth product that I ordered is the Lord & Berry Sita eyeshadow. It's a refill pack, and this is priced at rupees 800. So let us open this too and see. So this is the color that I have ordered. So this is a nice neutral shade, and this can be used as a daily wear and or on other times. Let me swatch this also for you. So this Sita eyeshadows are very pigmented and they look beautiful. So you can create a nice smoky eye look with this eyeshadow, and just look at how it blends. It blends so well and can be mixed and matched with other eyeshadows very easily. So you can create your own looks depending on how intense you want this eyeshadow. I quite honestly, this is the second one that I have ordered from their subscription and I love this. And the last product that I had ordered is from a new brand which is coming in the market, that is Nelly USA. It is an HD 3-in-1 compact and this is priced at rupees 825. It is in the shade 02. Let us open it and see. So this is how the packaging is. It's a very beautiful sleek black packaging and looks very rich. So again, this has a mirror on one side, it has a sponge below, and this is the palette, which is of a creamy consistency. My fingers are pigmented right now, so I'm not going to swatch it, but this is going to look nice and this is a perfect substitute for your compact. I'm quite excited to try this out. So let us see how this works. I have used the Nelly primer and I'm quite liking it. So yes, I have high expectations from this. In addition to this, I have also got a sample of this Anatomical Smoother Butts Love Coconuts. It is a coconut plus mango body lotion. It's a 10 ml product. There are quite a lot of products from Anatomicals on the options there, but I did not choose it somehow. So I'm very happy to get it. I was very tempted to try at least one of them. But yeah, so I got a sample size of the coconut and mango body lotion and I'm going to use this. Sounds very promising. So I'm very happy with all the things that I have received in my Globox subscription. I hope you too enjoyed watching this video and you like this idea of building your own box. So the products for grabs are really great and beautiful, so don't miss the opportunity. When you order, there may be some other products, but just go ahead and pick them up. So a very big thumbs up from my side to Globox. That it is absolutely worth shopping here. I will be leaving a link below if in case you want to shop. So with that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Bye for now. Love you all. See you soon.